Wondering how to make a good self-introduction in Vietnamese? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you kind of like a template of basic sentences that you can use when introducing yourself in Vietnamese, from telling your name, nickname, nationality, to where you were born, what you do, as well as your interests and hobbies. Just a reminder that in Vietnamese, there are many different terms that we use to address ourselves and the person that we're talking to, simply to show respect. So familiarize yourself with the Vietnamese pronouns before talking to people. And you can do so by taking my free basic grammar course on howtovietnamese.com. In this lesson, to make things simple, I'll be using the standard pair of pronouns mình for I and bạn for you. So let's get started. When meeting someone for the first time, naturally you would want to introduce your name. You can say mình là I am plus your name. Mình là Caroline. I'm Caroline. Or mình tên là Caroline. Mình tên là Caroline. Literally, I'm named Caroline. Or you can also say tên của mình là Caroline. Tên của mình là Caroline. My name is Caroline. Now what if you have a preferred name or a nickname? You can let the person know by saying something like mọi người hay gọi mình là. Everyone often calls me nickname. Chào các bạn, mình tên là Caroline, nhưng mà mọi người hay gọi mình là Carol. Hello guys, my name is Caroline, but everyone often calls me Carol. Since you're a foreigner, people naturally would want to know where you're from. So to introduce your nationality, you can say mình đến từ. I come from a country or a city. Mình đến từ Đức. I come from Germany. Mình đến từ bang Texas, Mỹ. I come from the state Texas, USA. You can also say mình là I am, then your nationality. Mình là người Úc. I'm Australian. Mình là người Mỹ. I'm American. Mình là người Singapore. I'm Singaporean. If you're a citizen of a country, but you or your family was originated from another country, you can say mình là plus nationality, gốc plus your descent. Mình là người Mỹ gốc Việt. Mình là người Mỹ gốc Việt. I'm Vietnamese American. Now, if you were born in one place but grew up in another place, you can say mình sinh ra ở. I was born in plus a place. Mình sinh ra ở Mỹ. I was born in the US. Or mình lớn lên ở. I grew up in place. Mình lớn lên ở Úc. I grew up in Australia. For example, mình sinh ra ở Mỹ, nhưng mà mình lớn lên ở Úc. I was born in the US, but I grew up in Australia. Now, if you are currently living in a different place from where you are from, you can say mình đang sống ở. I'm living in place. Mình đang sống ở Sài Gòn. I'm living in Saigon. You can also mention how long you've been living in your current location. Mình sống ở. I live in place. And then duration, rồi, which means already. Mình sống ở Việt Nam 3 tháng rồi. Mình sống ở Việt Nam 3 tháng rồi. I've lived in Vietnam for 3 months already. For example, mình là người Mỹ và mình sống ở Việt Nam 2 năm rồi. I'm American and I've lived in Vietnam for 2 years already. Before moving on to talk about your jobs and interests, help me like this video if you find it helpful. When introducing yourself, you might also want to introduce your job. What do you do? Where do you work? Or who you work for? You can simply say mình là I am, and then your job position or title. Mình là giáo viên tiếng Anh. I'm an English teacher. Mình là lập trình viên. I'm a programmer. Or you can talk generally about the field or the industry that you are working in by saying mình làm về, I work in, and then the industry. Mình làm về marketing, I work in marketing. Mình làm về thiết kế, I work in design. To mention where you work or who you work for, you can say mình làm ở, I work at, company name. Or mình làm cho, I work for, company's name. For example, mình làm về công nghệ ở công ty Grab. I work in tech for Grab company. Mình làm về sale cho một khách sạn. I work in sales for a hotel. So are you working as a freelancer? If yes, then you can say mình làm việc tự do. Mình làm việc tự do. I work freelance. If you're a homemaker, you will say mình làm nội trợ. Mình làm nội trợ. I'm a housewife or a house husband. And if you're already retired, you can say mình về hưu rồi. Mình về hưu rồi. I have retired already. Trước đây, mình làm kiểm toán về tài chính, nhưng mà bây giờ mình làm việc tự do. I used to work as an auditor in finance, but now I work freelance. To talk about your interests and hobbies, you might want to start with mình thích, I like, and the activity. Mình thích nấu ăn. Mình thích nấu ăn. I like cooking. Mình thích đi du lịch. Mình thích đi du lịch. I like to go traveling. To intensify your interest, you can say mình rất là thích, I really like, activity. Mình rất là thích chơi nhạc. Mình rất là thích chơi nhạc. I really like playing music. Or mình thích nhất là activity, meaning I like doing this activity the most. Mình thích nhất là học ngôn ngữ. Mình thích nhất là học ngôn ngữ. I like learning languages the most. Lúc rảnh, mình thích coi phim và đi ăn. Literally, when free or in free time, I like to watch movies and go out to eat. Don't forget to smash the like button and feel free to introduce yourself in the comment section below. See you in the next lesson. Tạm biệt!